Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unoriginal content strikes into your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now before going into the solutions, first of all, check if your contents really violated any of the Twitter laws or privacy policy. And if you also know that you have copied your content from someone else or exactly posted the same similar content that you don't own, there is no solution for that. Just simply delete your content or privatize the content because you are using someone else's property and that is not legal. And if you are using your own content but still getting this kind of problem, just simply open your TikTok into any of your browser, and into the TikTok just simply go into this feedback and help option, and after clicking into feedback and help, you just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom and you will find this report a problem option. Click into that report a problem option, and then into this box you just simply have to write down something like this into your feedback tab, and after that put a link of the content where you get the unoriginal content strike, and after that put a screenshot file of the problem. You can attach 4 pictures at max, and after all that click to this submit button. Then the report will be submitted to the TikTok help and support team. Then they will fix your problem shortly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.